Hi, this is John from Zoook, and today we are going to be taking a look at the shockproof, dustproof, waterproof, and snowproof, a fully rugged Bluetooth speaker, the Zoook Rocker Encore Bluetooth outdoor speaker. Right now, there are hundreds if not thousands of speakers and speaker systems across the market, which means finding the best of the best can be overwhelming unless you know to check the stats. The Zoook Rocker Legacy Series has been consistently ranked the #1 selling speaker across the world ever since its launch. Pair almost any mobile Bluetooth-enabled device within seconds using Bluetooth 4.1 technology. And if your device doesn't support Bluetooth, don't worry, we have you covered thanks to the built-in aux-in port. If you're looking for quality, the speaker boasts an IP65 rating, redefining portability and durability. The speaker is also water resistant and shock resistant, meaning this beast of an entertainment unit can thrive and survive in almost any location you want to use it, all while maintaining a sleek and elegant look that will impress any friend or guest. The 12-watt speaker packs a punch with high-fidelity sound that will keep bouncing and bumping bass under crystal clear highs. The battery will blast your tunes at high volume for 6 to 8 hours without needing another charge, and the built-in microphone means you can easily answer calls hands-free as you enjoy your music. With a 1-year warranty, Zoook is nailing their dedication to customer satisfaction. If you're ready to take your entertainment experience to the next level, pick up your Zoook Rocker Encore Bluetooth outdoor speaker today.